Hello everyone, welcome to Master Azerbaijani word of the day. Today's word is Tapmaq. Tapmaq. Tapmaq is to find, to discover, to locate. Let's see some phrases. To find a solution, to discover new places, to locate an address. Həll tapmaq, solution, həll. Yeni yerlər tapmaq, yeni new. Yerlər places, yer, place, yerlər places. Ünvan tapmaq, to locate an address. Now, officially, address is ünvan, but you're gonna hear a lot of adres in terms of address, because it's a loan word. We have an official word for it, but we are using adres too. So, ünvan tapmaq or adres tapmaq. Let's use this in some sentences. Now, I'm gonna explain something to you, but let me read it first. Mən hər yerə gecikməmək üçün bir həll yolu tapmaq istəyirəm. Let's see the translation. I want to find a solution, a way, not to be late everywhere. Now, in English, if you remove I part from the sentence, you will not know who is doing it. But in Azerbaijani, you don't have to say I, mən. The reason you don't have to is because the action word, istəyirəm, want, it already contains the suffix m to signify it is I am the one doing action. So if you want to sound like local, you don't have to say I, you can say hər yerə gecikməmək üçün bir həll yolu tapmaq istəyirəm. Everybody will know it is you're the one who is wanting to find a solution. Now let's break it down. Hər yerə, to everywhere, hər yer, everywhere. Gecikməmək, not to be late. Watch. Gecikmək, to be late. Gecikməmək, not to be late. Üçün, for. Bir həll yolu, a solution. Mən, or without it, hər yerə gecikməmək üçün bir həll yolu tapmaq istəyirəm. Let's see another sentence. Again, ünvanı tapmaq üçün xəritəyə baxdıq. This is the native local way. Or, biz ünvanı tapmaq üçün xəritəyə baxdıq. Let's see the translation. We looked at the map to find the address. Now, remember, if you remove we, you don't know who looked at the map to find the address. That's not the case in Azerbaijani. Baxdıq, we looked. That means us is the one who is doing the action. Xəritə, the map. Xəritəyə, to the map, at the map. In English, you gotta say at the map, but technically in Azerbaijani it means to the map. You looked to the map. Üçün, for, to find basically. Ünvanı, the address. Ünvan, address, or you can say adresi tapmaq üçün xəritəyə baxdıq. If you want to sound 100% local, say it like that. Adresi tapmaq üçün xəritəyə baxdıq. But officially, it's my job to tell you that Ünvan is the address. All right? That was today's word, Tapmaq. You don't have to use it in full Azerbaijani sentence. There you go. Address Tapmaq is my thing. Or maybe make it a little bit more local. Adres Tapmaq is my thing. I wish. Thanks for watching. Make sure to come back tomorrow for a new word. Until then, check masterazerbaijani.com for more. Promise you won't regret. Cheers.